Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over an updated version of my EDC toolkit that I showed you guys in a previous video. If you haven't seen that, I will leave a link to that video down in the description. But I just added a couple of things because I found that I needed these things working here around the house. Not necessarily, and I didn't, don't always just carry this toolkit at work. I carry it also around the house too. So I added a couple of things that help me out around the house. So I'm gonna get this camera turned around and I'll go over what I got. All right, guys. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. Then I will try to reply to every comment that you leave me. And hit that notification bell. That way you get notified when I upload new videos. Alright guys, well, here we go to the video. Alright, here is my EDC toolkit. As you can see, it's still in the same pouch. And I'll pull everything out of it. And then we'll go over, show you that. That way I can show you guys that nothing else changed. And I can go over this stuff. The new stuff that I added. I apologize. I can't speak real well today. It's been a long day. That's it. Alright, so yeah, this is the same pouch. I thought about cutting, like I said, cutting it up. I think I spoke about this in the last video. Cutting it up and making this a bigger one pocket pouch. But I'm glad I didn't, because of the new items that I added. I like to keep those items separated. Like I said, as you guys know, I am a automotive technician at a Jenkins Subaru. And I work on Korean and Japanese cars, and they use metric stuff. I added SAE quarter-inch sockets for working on, like, my mower. I added those. I apologize about the dog. I added these because I needed them working on my mower yesterday to clean the carburetor, and I had to hunt for tools. So once I finally found these tools, I just threw them in the pouch. And these are standard Allen wrenches. I don't carry metric Allen wrenches on here, I don't think. No, I just carry Torx. But these are standard Allen wrenches, because I've found that I've needed those handful of times as well, and I don't always know where my regular Allen wrenches are, so I kept these and put these in this toolkit. That way, I always have them, because, having tools on you is, a great way to be prepared for any situation that life throws at you. Well, guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.